you ever been attacked by the charge cable monster? Here's a solution. Do you remember when your digital world started and you had a little flip phone and you had a charging cable and all you had to do is plug it into a USB port and you were good to go? Then along came a new device, maybe your first digital camera, and you got another cable and another port to be plugged into. And so far everything was okay. But then along came your next device and your next device and your next device. And pretty soon when you went to charge something, this is what you ended up with. This is what I ended up with. And whenever I had to charge something, I would look through every proprietary port and find the one that fit in the camera, flip phone, etc. Well, I thought I got smart, so after a while I started labeling these for whatever they were to charge. But the problem then was I still had to dig through and untangle all these cables. Here's an easy solution for you. All you need are these things. One of these portion control snack boxes. They have a fairly thick, like it almost feels like a 2 mil bag. There's a labeling point and a permanent marking pen. That's all you need. And what you end up with is this. Notice I'm showing off my hibiscus blooms here that are really big. But here's my solution. You end up with everything coated with whatever this particular cord charges, and these are all in these little Ziploc bags labeled. Whole operation takes about 15 minutes, and on the other end saves probably hours of frustration looking through there. Then these are packed into a basket. And readily available for me when it's time to charge.